Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Christmas Eve, I'm just going to do a real simple festive drink tonight. This particular eggnog, Evan Williams, comes in at 30 proof. Excellent. It's made of rum, whiskey, and brandy. Great mix. And I'm going to use some of this Fernet Branca to make it a little more bitter. It's a little bit sweet, so I'll give it a shot here. I drink this all the time at Christmas. Last year I did one similar, and I put some rye whiskey instead of this. So let's get started. Calls for, I'm going to put 3 eggnogs. And this is chilled in the refrigerator, so we don't need to be shaking this with ice. 2. And 3. Okay, and then use a half of the Fernet Branca. And just stir that up. Nice chilled Nick Nora glass, stem tiki glass. Pour it in. And then a little grated nutmeg. Buy some whole nutmeg. A little bit on top. Don't need much. And there we have it. I'm going to call this one the Italian Nog. Comes in at 19% ABV. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next time.